The trade war hits American farmers and President Trump won't rule out a recession. It's Monday, March the 10th, and here's what you need to know. Let's start with our number of the day, $21 billion. That's the volume of US farm exports that are hit with new tariffs in China from today. There's 15% on corn, chicken and cotton, and 10% on beef, pork and soybeans, which are one of the US's biggest exports to China. That means American farmers will start to feel those tariffs directly in their pockets. In some ways, it's a rerun of the trade war moves we saw during President Trump's first term. And in 2018, the tariffs cost US agriculture about $27 billion. So you may have seen that President Trump refused to rule out a recession in an interview with Fox News on Sunday. But is that actually likely? Well, 91% of economists polled by Reuters said a recession has become more likely since President Trump returned to power, as tariffs are likely to squash growth while pushing up prices. The next key economic indicator of whether that's actually happening yet will be consumer price inflation, due out on Wednesday. It's forecast to come in at 2.9% year-on-year. Any higher than that, and it will scare the market. Amid all the trade news, you may have missed that Congress only has until Friday to pass a spending bill, or the US government will shut down. Republicans unveiled a 6-month stopgap bill at the weekend, but Democrats have called it a power grab by the White House, so don't necessarily count on it passing. And our stock of the day is Oracle. It kicks off this week's earnings later, and analysts expect its profit and revenue to come in fairly strong after disappointing sales last quarter. That stock saw a huge jump back in January when Oracle unveiled a joint effort with OpenAI and SoftBank to invest in AI infrastructure in the US. The three companies promised to spend as much as $500 billion over 4 years, but that stock has lost all of its gains since then as investors question whether this huge spending on AI will actually pay off. And that's what you need to know this morning.